What is the second question here? Find the common factors of the following. Same like this one. You have to find the factors of the given numbers. Now, what are the given number here? 16 and 20. What will be the factors of what will be the factors of 16 that you have to find? Then you have to find the factors of 20. Whatever factors you will get, you have to find the common factors from that. Okay. Now we will solve this example. First example. What is the first example? Find the common factors of 16 and 20. So first you have to find the factors of 16. What are the factors of 16? 1 number itself. Then it is even number, so it is divisible by 2. Write the half of that number, because when you divide it by 2, you will get the exactly half of this number. What is the half of that number? That is 8. Next one is not, next test is what? Divisibility test of 3. Apply that one. 1 plus 6, 7, and 7 is not divisible by 3, so number will not be divisible by 3. Next test is what? Divisibility test of 4, and 16 is divisible by 4. 4 4s are 16, right? So next one, what is the next number here they have given? We have got factors of 16 here, right? These are the factors of 16. Now next step is what? We have to find the factors of 20. Find the factors of 20. Write number as it is, 1 as a common factor, then number as it is 20, then it is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. If we are dividing it by 2 means you will get the half of that number, that is 10, so it is also divisible by 10. Then next divisibility test is what? Divisibility test of 3, and 2 plus 0 is equal to add these two digits, 2 plus 0 0, and 2 plus 0 2, and 2 is not divisible by 3. So next divisibility test is divisibility test of 4. 4 5s are 20. Last two digits are divisible by 4. So 4 5s are 20. Then number ends in 0, so it is also divisible by 5. Right? So we have, in this fashion, we have got all these factors. Right? Now here, what are the factors of 16? 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. And what are the factors of 20 here? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. These are the factors. But what are the common factors in these two numbers? 1 is here, 1 is also here. So common factor is 1. Then next common factor is what? 2. 2 is common here and here also. So next common factor is 2 also. Then 4 is also common here. So common factor, you have to consider 4 as also common factor. Now how many factors are left here? 5, 10, and 20. And here what left? 16, which are not common. Right? दोन्ही ते कॉमन नाही आहेत. इथे 8 असला तर इकडे नाहीये, इथे 16 आहे पण इकडे 16 नाहीये, इकडे 5 आहे पण इकडे 5 आलेला नाही. So what are the common factors of 16 and 20? 1, 2, and 4 only. So these are the common factors. Right? Understood? Now we will solve one more example here. What is the next example? 28 and 36. Find the common factors of 28 and 36. First you have to find the factors of 28 and then 36. Right here 28 and right here 36. Okay. Find the common factors of 28 and 36. What I have told you, first 1 is the common factor, then number itself. Now this is an even number, so divisible by 2. As you are dividing it by 2, you will get the half of that number, that is 14. What is the half of 28? 14. So 28 is divisible by 1, 2, 28, and 14. And we have just applied only one test, that is divisibility test of 2. Now next divisibility test is what? Divisibility test of 3. Find out, is it divisible by 3? If it is divisible by 3, then write factor as a 3 here. 2 plus 8, add these two digits. 2 plus 8, 10. And 10 is not divisible by 3. Not divisible by 3 means what? दोन्हीचे ऍडिशन केलं तुमचे टोटल काय आले? 2 plus 8, 10. आणि 10 3 च्या टेबल मध्ये येतो का? नाही. मग हा देते 28 3 ने डिव्हिजिबल नाहीये. Now next divisibility test is what? Divisibility test of 4. Apply this divisibility test of 4. What is divisibility test of 4? If last two digits of any numbers are divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. Now 28. 7 4s are 28. Right? Or 4 7s are 28. So 28 is divisible by 4. Now is it divisible by 5? No, because number doesn't change in 5 and 0. So it is not divisible by 5. The divisibility test of 6 is what? If number is given number is divisible by both 2 and 3. This number is only divisible by 2. It is not divisible by 3. So it will not be divisible by 6. दोन्हीने divisible असला पाहिजे. 2 आणि 3 ने दोन्हीने divisible असेल तर 6 ने. Now next after 6, what is the next number? 7. What is the divisibility test for 7? There is no divisibility test for 7. You just have to check it by dividing, and you know that 28 comes in the table of 7. 7 fours are 28. So what we have got here? Factors of 28. These are the factors of 28. Now next test is what? Divisibility test of 8, and 28 it doesn't comes in the table of 8. It is also not divisible by 9. What is the divisibility test of 9? Sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then that number is divisible by 9. So what is the sum here? 2 plus 8, 10, and 10 is not divisible by 9. Next divisibility test is what? Divisibility test of 10. If number ends in 0, then that number is divisible by 10. So this number ends in 8, so it is not divisible by 10. Right? Next divisibility test after 10 is what? 11. What is the divisibility test of 11? Difference between even and odd places. Here in odd place, what they have given? 8, and even place what they have given? 2. Odd place means have first place. Like what is the first number here? 1. Odd place 1, and here this is in the second place, that is even place. And the difference between these two places is 0 or 11, then only that number is divisible by 11. So what is the difference between these two places? 8 minus 2. What will you get the difference here? 6, and 6 is not divisible by 11. Right? Now divisibility test of 12 is what? If number is divisible by both 3 and 4, then that number is divisible by 12. Right? 13 you have to divide 20 directly. You have to divide 28 by 13, because there is no divisibility test for 13, as 13 is the prime number. Right? Next divisibility test is what? 14. Right? Here this number is divisible by both 7 and 2. It will be divisible by 14. Like this you have to apply the divisibility test. Next, after 14, what is the next number? 15. What is the divisibility test of 15? If number is divisible by both 3 and 5, then it is divisible by 15. Like this you have to remember all these divisibility tests which we have learned here. Look, here they have given divisibility test 2, 5 and 10. Similar divisibility tests are given in one box. In last year's books they have given on one page only. Here they have just divided the divisibility test in parts. Look here, 4, 8 and 25. Like this they have given the divisibility test here. 11. It is divisibility test of 11 is also given here. Here they have given the divisibility test of 6, 12, 15 and 18. Right? These are the divisibility tests. This divisibility test you have to learn, and by practice you will remember this test. Now what we are doing here, we are finding the common factors between 28 and 36. Here we have got the factors of 28. Now what we have to do, we have to find the factors of 36. First what we have to do, 1. Every number is divisible by 1, and number itself. These are the two factors. Now this is the given number is what? 36. It is an even number, so divisible by 2. As it is divisible by 2, you have to write half of that number, that is 18. How many factors you have got here? 4 factors. Now what is the divisibility test after 1, 2 and 3? Well, after 2 is 3. What is the divisibility test of 3? Sum of these two digits. 3 plus 6, 9. 9. And 9 is divisible by 3. या दोन्हीचे ऍडिशन केलं काय होतं? 3 plus 6, 9 is. And 9 is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So it is divisible by 3. Now it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Directly we will get the next factor, that is 6. Right? Now after 3, what is the divisibility test? Next test is divisibility test of 4. What is divisibility test of 4? If last two digits are divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. So 36 is divisible by 4. 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36, means 9 is also factor. What is the divisibility test for 9? If sum of the digits is divisible by 9, means what? Here are the digits 3 and 6. 3 plus 6, 9, and 9 is divisible by itself. These are the factors of 36. Now, is there any factor which is left? What is the divisibility test of 12? Divisibility test for 12. If number is divisible by both 3 and 4, then that number is also divisible by 12. Right? So these are the factors of 36. What are the factors of 36? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. These are the factors of 36. Look here. Why? Don't get confused with this 12. How we got this 12 as a factor? What is the divisibility test for 12? Here they have given the divisibility test of 12. If the given number is divisible by both 3 and 4, then that is divisible by 12. Here we have got 3 and 4 as a factor, so it is divisible by 12 also. 12 3s are 36. Right? These are the factors. Now what we have to find? Common factors we have to find. दोन्ही समान असणारे 1 1, write once only 1. Now 2 is also common here, 2 2. We got the another common factor. 4, here we have got 4. Is there 7? No. 6? No. 14? No. 28? No. So what are the common factors of 28 and 36? 1, 2 and 4. Right? This is how you have to find the common factors. Thank you.